Good morning, everybody. I am with Caroline, and we are on our way to Melbourne to meet with two of our clients. One, Apollo Shocks, which we're going to meet with first, and the second one is Ocean Babes. And we're pretty much going to be going over strategy, talking about how we're going to be moving the businesses forward, 12-month vision plan. So the good thing is you guys are going to be along for the whole entire trip to see it all. So stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's Kevin, and I'm with Casey, COO of Apollo Performance.
We are a sock making company. We make compression socks, what we call shocks for dancers. Basically what they do is they remove inflammation that causes the majority of dancer injuries, helping dancers dance longer and stronger.
Can you explain how digital marketing has helped take your company to the next level?
I mean, we went from 30 to 40% growth a month to we're at over 100% growth, which is huge. And it's just growing exponentially. What this has done is catapulted us into a whole nother layer of what we're going to be able to do in the next year and where we're going to be able to go. We really want to become a pillar in the dance community that stands for something so much more than just selling a product. We really care about the community. We are dancers, we love dancers, and we know dancers.
You have 5 figures of customers who are lost.
And and what that means basically is that these are people who bought from you one time, but they showed no intent or no interest in buying again because they reached something called the last point. So I'm going to show you the graph just to make it a little bit more visually explainable. So right here we have what is called 3 phases. It's the active customer, the at-risk customer, and the lost customer. Active customer is somebody who just purchased, and for your company, every company is different. For your company, is 90 days. Is a customer is considered an active customer. The at-risk customer is the best time to strategically push this person within around 90 days to buy again, which we want to build something where we have like some type of flow. We know that once this person hits that risk stage, then we know that we have to upsell them or try to get this customer to become active again. We want as much customers in the active stage as possible. Well, I don't think loss means negative. I think loss just means these people purchased once and just didn't get an email to purchase again. Some of these people purchased way back in 2018. And they just simply didn't get a reminder or an email to purchase again. And not that they don't want to, there's just no constant communication. There wasn't an infrastructure built in. And I guess that's what we need to do to get some of these people. Right now, this red is extremely a lot more than the green areas, and we want to kind of flip that over.
So the things that we can do here, different strategies, is one, we have to identify a campaign of a really juicy offer or something that's going to grab their attention. And that's one really good idea that I like that you already have in place is a loyalty program, doing a loyalty program flow. And then we're coming up with Q4 too, so we can come up with a juicy offer then too if
each year. So Black Friday, if we even make it a different free shipping code so even people who have already used it can still get free shipping. But what about if we, for that weekend, we can up their reward points, or they get 1.5 times points.
Yeah,
that's something good. Where when they're getting whatever they're purchasing is getting them more points.
That's a good idea.
And then it's giving them cash, but it's in a way of come back to us and you get it. They bought a gift card, then we gave free shipping, and we make this really nice certificate that if they purchase, then we email them the certificate that they can print out and hand with the gift card for free shipping. So it's a real free gift. You know what I mean?
The ROI for your business is definitely Facebook and Google. For right now, that's the major ones, right?
First, ad budget.
So right now we're doing $2,800 a week. So where is it that where do you want to see that?
Right now, I would say if we could bring it up to about 15 a month.
So that's only like 300 more. So you want to go up to 15.
Yeah.
Okay. So increase, and that will go directly just for the Instagram and
Facebook.
Instagram and Facebook. Not counting Google yet.
Nice. The next thing is I want to talk about our Win Back series.
Because Klaviyo integrates, like I've shown you with
Swell.
Swell.
Mhm.
Honestly, them seeing how many points they have sitting there waiting for them, is they get points for just liking us on Facebook and Instagram. They can get purchased.
So Win Back will focus on points and remind
And
them
then,
of
yeah.
the brand.
As long as we can continue to hit that 100% growth, we're going to be fine to be increasing our budget.
Okay. Black Friday, I know we mentioned it a little bit earlier, but I
Mm-hmm.
just kind of wanted to get more specific. Black Friday and Christmas.
I'm okay with making it so everyone gets the free shipping. We looked at what we're giving away with free shipping, and it's a discount it's better for us in the long run. And like I said, we just don't have the profit margin to play with that much more.
Okay, so free shipping for sure. Okay. What message would you give somebody who wants to get into entrepreneurship, who wants to get into this? I know it's been a rough journey. What message would you give that person?
I wear a bracelet every time I leave my house
Yeah.
that says she believes she could, so she did. And it really is like you have to have that undying belief that you can do this.
Yeah.
We had one of our investors invest in us surely because they knew we were gonna hustle. Like
Yeah.
we're hustlers. Like there's no stop. So just know that if you have a will, and you really believe in what you have, go for it.
Go for it. Be a hustler.
Yeah.
And where can we find you? Where can
ApollaPerformance.com. APOLLA Performance.com.
Nice. ApollaPerformance.com. Check it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow. Put it out. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's good, everybody? We're on the way now to meet with one of our clients, Ocean Babe Swimwear. So, as we wait for our next client meeting, we decided to get some lunch on the beach today, as you guys can see, which is awesome. Very beautiful day, and this is the beauty of working and living in Florida. Extremely well. And it's all about building relationships with the clients, right? Because at the end of the day, these are our long-term partners, and that's what it's all about. And I do feel like going to her house and really getting to interact with her and really getting to talk about a vision plan, talk about what we're going to do for the next 12 months to build more trust. And it's almost like you're building a family with someone. All right, we just arrived to our location. We're about to meet with Alex. She's the CEO and owner of Ocean Babes, and we're meeting at Starbucks.
So my name is Alessandra Danielle. I'm from Brooklyn, New York, and I own Ocean Babe Swimwear.
How did you start the company?
I started the company when I realized that there wasn't a lot of unique bikini styles for all body types. And I went to South America and found that they have a lot of different fabrics and higher quality things that I could bring to the US. And I got to designing and I created Ocean Babe Swimwear.
How do you come up with ideas for designs?
I look at what's unique and different, things that are on the market already, but with my own touch and own flair, and things that I think girls would like and enjoy.
So what inspired you to create Ocean Babe?
Different factors inspired me to create Ocean Babe Swimwear. I noticed that on the market right now, there's a lot of plain, basic bikinis out there, solid colors. Well, I wanted to bring something different, something that pops more, that makes you feel confident, makes you feel sexy. So that's what I created with Ocean Babe.
Can you talk about the process of when you first founded it to now? How has that journey been for you?
Oh, it's been a lot of trial and error in the beginning. Not knowing what people would like, not knowing what people would respond drawn to. Finding out about Ocean Make Swimwear, you know, that was the biggest struggle in the beginning. But I feel that when people feel my quality and feel what it has to offer, the durability of the fabric, what kept me going is the customers that I did have, small, you know, but it keeps growing, and all of them had great reviews. They had all positive feedback about it, so that's what kept me going. A small group of girls that keep on expanding.
Yeah. Okay. So, what would you recommend to an entrepreneur or somebody who's interested in starting an e-commerce store?
Do your homework, never give up, and just stay confident in what you believe in.
Nice. Okay. Any last thoughts you want to say?
Go on oceanbasedswimwear.com and cop yourself a bikini.
There you go. I'll leave the link in the description below. The quality is amazing. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you later.